2013 Volkswagen Jetta 2.5 engine. Okay, so it came in with a misfire code. It was shaking. So turn the ignition to the on position and see, check to 2013. Check. I already did all the process, but just for showing purposes, so we're gonna start over. Energy management, continue, and codes. So it came in with a multiple cylinder misfire. I already did all the work. It had a barometric, all the stuff, and the data. You go to data. You can find out, see which cylinders are misfiring. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it would jump from 1 to 5, 3 to 2. So that's what would let me know that it wasn't just a regular misfire. So we came down here and check the throttle body. Clean the throttle body first. There's a sensor, it's called the barometric sensor. We gotta remove the poop. Right here, there's some snaps, so you gotta just pull it up to be able to remove it. Once you have it open, you can can't really see the sensor here, but the sensor is right next to the throttle body. It's called a barometric sensor. So we cleaned that, cleaned the throttle, took it out, and it still was misfiring. And it's called a PCB diaphragm. Took this one out. This is the new one. Here's the clips. You just pry this open and change it. Okay, here's the old one. As you can see, this rubber right here is supposed to be all flat. So right here, you can tell that it's got an opening here. So that's where the air, the intake air, was leaking out of. And that's what actually was causing the misfire. So we changed that and let it run, reset all the lights, let it run, and that actually fixed the misfire. So on most Volkswagen, in the beginning you'll cause a misfire, but on some other cars, the misfire will be a regular coil. But on this car, obviously we're jumping from 1 to 3, so that made me believe there was something else, and it turned out to be the diaphragm. It's right here. This is the new one. That's the old one. And that's the reason why. Okay, hope this helps. Thank you. Like and subscribe.